How to use templates Figma tutorial. So if you want to use templates on Figma, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection, and then you need to go with search and you need to search for Figma. Once you've searched, go with www.figma.com and go with get started for free, or you can just log into your account. So I'll be just logging in, and if you don't have your account, you can simply create your account. Now, once you've logged in, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the Figma option, which is on the upper left, and then go with back to files. Now, here you just need to simply go with the community. You will have the community on the upper right, or just go with a blank design or a document. But if you don't have the community option, you may have it right here on the bottom left. Simply go with explore community. And now you need to search for the resources. So here you need to simply search for templates. Now here you need to go with files plus templates, which is here on the bottom left. And you just need to simply go with the free ones. Select free ones, and here you will have all of your free templates. So you just need to simply select the templates. For example, I'll be choosing the first one, or the resume templates. Now go with open in Figma. Now what we need to do is you just need simply, you may have the duplicate option right here. You can simply go with duplicate and it will be saved in your library on your Figma. And after that, you can simply go and adjust it as you like. So that's how you can use your templates in your Figma. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.